We are on the edge of a new era. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and Meta AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Their Llama models are changing the world. Llama stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. These models are powerful tools that can understand and generate human-like text. From Llama 1 to Llama 3, each iteration marks a significant leap forward. Let's explore this exciting journey. Llama 1 was a breakthrough in artificial intelligence technology. It was a large language model with billions of parameters, making it one of the most advanced models of its time. These parameters are like the connections in a brain, allowing the model to learn and process information in a way that mimics human cognition. Llama 1 was trained on a massive dataset of text and code, enabling it to perform various tasks with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. It could translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, making it a versatile tool for many applications. One of the key applications of Llama 1 was in chatbots, where it excelled in understanding and generating human-like responses. These AI-powered assistants could understand and respond to user queries, provide information, complete tasks, and even engage in meaningful conversations, enhancing user experience significantly. Llama 2 built upon the remarkable success of its predecessor. It boasted an even larger number of parameters, significantly enhancing its ability to understand complex language and generate more nuanced responses. One of the key improvements in Llama 2 was its ability to learn from less data, making it easier to train and adapt to specific tasks efficiently. Llama 2 found applications in various fields, revolutionizing the way AI is utilized. It was used to improve machine translation, generate realistic dialogue for virtual assistants, and even assist in writing computer code, making programming more accessible. Llama 3, a leap towards the future. Llama 3 is the latest and most advanced iteration in the series of AI developments. It represents a significant jump in AI capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve. While specific details are still under wraps, we can expect groundbreaking advancements that will revolutionize the field. Llama 3 is likely to leverage cutting-edge techniques, incorporating the latest in AI research and development. These might include reinforcement learning and unsupervised learning, allowing the AI to improve autonomously. This will enable it to learn from interactions and data without explicit instructions, making it more adaptable and intelligent. The potential applications of Llama 3 are vast, spanning across various industries and sectors. We can anticipate more sophisticated chatbots, personalized learning experiences, and breakthroughs in scientific research, transforming the way we interact with technology and understand the world around us. Conclusion: Meta's impact and the future of AI. Meta AI's Llama models have revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence, setting new standards and benchmarks. From Llama 1 to Llama 3, each iteration has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, showcasing remarkable advancements in AI capabilities. These models are transforming how we interact with technology, making our interactions more seamless and efficient. They are powering a new generation of AI applications that are more intuitive, capable, and integrated into our daily lives, enhancing productivity and convenience. As we venture further into the age of AI, Meta AI continues to lead the charge, driving innovation and setting trends. The future holds immense possibilities, and the journey has just begun. The potential for growth and discovery is limitless. Explore the world of AI and discover how it's shaping our future, influencing every aspect of our lives and industries.